cars. We drive them every day. To work, to the store, school, restaurants, running errands. Usually it's about 20 to 40 miles a day. But what if you take a 3,000-mile trip? Is it easy? How do you prepare your car for something like that? And how do you prepare yourself? Do you even need to prepare at all? Hey everyone, my name is Nick. I'm a mechanic from Minnesota, and in this project, I'm taking my wife and 2 kids on a vacation to Florida. I'll be preparing my truck for this trip, as well as breaking down all the planning details. Sit back, relax, it's going to be interesting. Let's go! So, the first and most important thing is technical preparation. I will conduct an inspection of the vehicle under the hood, check the condition and fluid levels, check the suspension, and check for any leaks or other potential problems. Based on the inspection results, I will plan the necessary maintenance and repairs, order parts and consumables, and carry out the technical work. The second key part of preparation is emergency readiness. Even if your car is brand new and doesn't need any inspections or prep before a trip, emergency situations are something no one is immune to. A crash, hitting a deer, or a flat tire. So, I'm going to put together my emergency kit, show you how I packed it, and explain why each item is necessary. On top of that, I'll upgrade the vehicle first aid kit by adding essential supplies and medications for a long road trip, and we'll also prepare other tools and gear for an emergency. The next thing I want to focus on is improving comfort on the trip, because a long time on the road can quite exhaust not only the driver, but also the passengers. Here, I will replace the wheels with quieter and softer tires, line the doors and the back panel with sound and vibration insulation, install a topper, and also do some minor upgrades inside the car cabin. And that's a wrap on episode 1 of Track to Travel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay safe out there, take care of yourselves and your rides, and I'll see you in the next one.